5 varieties of professional carpet cleaning methods. Reputed professional carpet cleaners would come up with the 5 types of carpet cleaning. Hot water extraction/steam cleaning, shampooing carpets, encapsulation, bonneting or bonnet cleaning, dry cleaning. Competent professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne will be expert enough to come up with the best solutions in each of these processes. That's the same with Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, and this makes us the best professional carpet cleaning service in Melbourne. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne.